Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP EliteBook X G2i 14 driver. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you have to type mandatory this driver. Okay, and then this is first link support.hp.com, this official website. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, so this is your laptop again, you can see, and this is the model number. Okay, scroll down and select the operating system Windows 10, and then also select, and if you are using different versions it's okay, otherwise you can select only Windows 11, and after that click to submit. Then scroll down and extract network, device and network, and after that you can see Bluetooth driver and click to download. After that it will start downloading in the download box, and it will complete and it will show like notification, and after that click to open like this, single click to open it. Now you can see Intel Bluetooth driver, and click to next. I accept, then click to next again, and this is installation locations, so do not change, set default date, click to next. Now it is installing, so it will work in the background, and then you can restart your system, and then you can check it your issue. Okay, thank you.